Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic farmhouse cottage and inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Fantastic farmhouse cottage decor is a warm, elegant, and cozy home decor style that beautifully blends old world vintage charm, soft chic elegance, rustic farmhouse elements, and romantic cottage comfort. It feels like a peaceful countryside home, filled with history, softness, and lived-in beauty. Home defines fantastic farmhouse cottage home decor. Vintage so inspired by old European cottages and antique homes. You will see distressed wooden furniture, antique frames, mirrors, and clocks, all finishes that show age gracefully. Nothing looks new, everything feels loved. Next, chic elegance, chic and softness and grace. Curved furniture shapes, floral patterns, lace, ruffles, embroidery. Soft feminine touches. It is rustic but never rough. Farmhouse warmth. From farmhouse style comes its natural wood tones, open shelves, messengers, enamel art, simple, practical beauty. It keeps the home grounded and welcoming. Cottage coziness. The cottage side brings comfort. Use soft cushions and throws. Use floral or gingham fabrics. Small cozy corners, warm lighting. The space feels calm and emotionally comforting. Typical color palette use cream, soft white, beige, shades green, dusty blue, lush pink, or light gray. Colors are gentle and faded, never bright. Decor elements used antique vases and pictures, crochet or lace table genres, use wooden trays, jade flowers and lavender, squintless books, iron or brass candle holders. Each piece tells a quiet story. Emotional feeling. Fantastic farmhouse cottage decor feels peaceful, nostalgic, romantic, warm, soul comforting. It is a home that whispers, not shouts. This decor style is not just about furniture or color. It is about emotion, memory, softness, and solo living. It creates a home that feels gently aged, peaceful, romantic, comforting, full of heart, like a quiet countryside cottage where time moves slowly. The philosophy behind this style, fantastic farmhouse cottage decor, believes in beauty in imperfection, like scratches, faded paint, or aged are welcomed. All things have stories, even objects feel meaningful, not decorative only. Comfort over perfection. The home should feel lifted, not showroom perfect. Softness over boldness, nothing loud, everything gentle. This style connects deeply with emotions and nostalgia. Furniture style. Furniture should look old or antique inspired, slightly distressed, carved or cut, handmade or traditional. Examples: wooden farmhouse tables, curved leg chairs, painted cabinets, open shelving units. Glossy furniture is avoided. Decorative accessories. Accessories create the soul of this style. With vintage clocks, floral ceramic pots, iron lanterns, enamel jugs, old books stuck softly, lace runners, crochet covers. Decor should feel collected over time, not bought add-ons. Fabrics and textiles. Textiles add cottage romance. Use floral print, gingham, text, linen, cotton, lace, or crochet. Easton contains cushion covers, table runners, or chair covers. This decor style is about creating a home that feels like a memory. Not modern, not perfect, not trendy. It feels soft, timeless, romantic, and deeply comforting. A home where mornings are slow, light is warm, and everything feels gentle. Emotional identity of the style. Fantastic Farmhouse Cottage Decor expresses calmness, nostalgia, simplicity, femininity, soft, not fancy, warm family feeling. It often reminds people of grandmother's home, countryside mornings, old European cottages, handwritten letters, and lace curtains. This emotional layer is the heart of the style. Balance of three styles. This decor works beautifully because it balances three words. First, vintage, old finishes, antique shapes, time-worn beauty. Farmhouse, practical furniture, natural wood, honest materials. Next, cottage, cozy corners, floral fabrics, soft comfort. None should overpower the other. Harmony is everything. Light and atmosphere. Lighting is very important. Warm yellow bulbs, soft lamps, lantern style lights, candlelight in evenings. Bright white light destroys the window spot. This style prefers glow, not brightness. Wall treatment. Walls usually look soft, calm, edged gently. Popular option of white paint, cream pastel look. Light pastel walls, wooden wall panels, floral wallpaper on wall. Nothing shiny or modern. Mirrors and reflections. Mirrors are often antique style, distressed frames, oval or curved, gold, brass, or whitewashed. They reflect soft light and add romance. Nature connection. Nature is always present. Fresh flowers, dried lavender, olive branches, cotton stems, herbs in small pots. Nature should feel simple, not decorative. Storage style. Storage is visible but beautiful. Open shelves, wooden crates, wicker baskets, glass jars. Functional things become decor. Time on beauty rule. Everything should look gently aged, slightly imperfect, lovingly used. Perfect new items feel cold here. You can even age items yourself using light distressing. Why people love this style? Because it reduces stress, feels emotionally safe, brings warmth to small homes, never goes out of style, feels personal and soulful. It is especially beautiful for small cottages, country kitchens, cozy bedrooms, reading corners. Fantastic Farmhouse Cottage Decor is where rustic simplicity meets romantic softness, creating a home that feels like a warm memory you never want to leave. This decor style is not only how a home looks, it is how the home feels when you live inside it. It represents solemn mornings, quiet evenings, soft light, and emotional warmth. The storytelling home. In this style, your home tells a story. Nothing is random. Each item feels like it was found at a small village market, passed down through generations, collected slowly over time. You don't decorate all at once. You build a story. Quiet luxury, not expensive luxury. Vintage cottage decor is a form of quiet luxury, not shiny, not modern, not expensive looking. Luxury here means comfort, softness, peace, emotional richness. A simple lace curtain can feel more luxurious than a costly modern sofa. Soft feminine energy. This style often carries gentle feminine energy. Curved shapes, floral details, soft textures, light colors. But it remains balanced, warm, and welcoming for everyone. Materials that feel honest. Materials must feel natural when you touch them. Raw or painted wood, cotton and linen fabrics, ceramic and stone, wicker and gentle, iron and brass. Plastic and glossy finishes break the charm. Imperfection is decoration, a crack in ceramic, a faded frame, uneven paint. These are not flaws, they are beauty marks. This style celebrates nothing has to be perfect to be beautiful. Connection to old European cottages. This style is inspired by French countryside homes, English cottages, Italian rural houses. You will notice floral wallpaper, wooden beams, antique cupboards, delicate detailing, all adapted for modern living. Time slows down in these homes. Fantastic farmhouse cottage home feels slower. You naturally drink tea slowly, light candles in the evening, open windows in the morning, enjoy quiet moments. The emotional calm is intentional. Everyday life has decor. Daily items become beauty. Teacups on shelves, plates displayed openly, linen napkins in baskets, jars of rice or flowers. Life itself becomes decoration. Layering is the secret. True beauty comes from layers, fabrics on fabrics, wood with lace, metal with flowers, old with slightly new. One layer looks empty, many layers feel warm. Why this style touches the heart? Because it reminds us of simpler times, family warmth, handmade things, care and patience. In a fast modern world, this decor feels like a safe place. Fantastic farmhouse cottage decor is the gentle poetry of home, treated with old lace, light, and memory. Fantastic farmhouse cottage decor, the soulful tip. This style is about living gently, not rushing, not showing off, not catching trends. It creates a home that feels like a warm hut in life. This style is built on emotion, not objects. In modern decor, people ask, what should I buy? In fantastic farmhouse cottage decor, the question is, how should my home make me feel? The answer is usually safe, calm, nostalgic, cared for, emotionally warm. That feeling guards every decor choice. The language of softness. Everything speaks softly. Colors whispers, fabrics breathe, light glows, furniture curves gently. Sharp edged, strong contrast, and bold patterns are avoided. Softness is intentional. Furniture placement philosophy. Furniture is never crowded. Spaces are left to breathe. Allow light will open. A slightly empty corner with chair and a small table feels more beautiful than a full room. This emptiness creates space. The beauty of everyday rituals. This decor supports daily rituals. Morning tea near a window, fresh flowers every few days, evening candle lighting, solo cooking in the kitchen. The home encourages mindful living. Handmade items are scarce. Handmade pieces are highly valued. Cushion covers, knitted shawls, hand-stitched cushions, ceramic bowls, wooden trays. Even small homemade items are sold. This fits beautifully with your interest in crochet and cottage styling. Nature is always welcome indoors. Nature is never decorated, it is invited. Branches in chairs, herbs near windows, flowers in old teapots, dried grasses. Nature brings life and softness. Light creates mold more than color. Instead of strong ceiling lights, stable lamps, lanterns, candles, fairy lights, warm tone. Light should feel like sunset, not daylight. Mirrors are used emotionally. Mirrors are placed to reflect into light, expand small rooms, add romance, antique or distress. Frames are preferred. The collected of a time rule, nothing should look newly purchased together. Even if items are new, they should look mismatched, gently aged, thoughtfully chosen. This creates authenticity. Time is a design element. In this decor, age is beautiful. Wear is welcome. History is honored. A chipped edge of faded paint tells a story. When you enter a vintage farmhouse cottage home, you should feel, I can breathe here. This is the true success of the style. Timeless of a trendy. This decor ignores trend. A home decorated this way can look beautiful today, in 5 years, in 20 years, because it is based on emotion not fashion. The final feeling, a true vintage farmhouse cottage home makes people think the home feels loved. That is the highest compliment. Vintage farmhouse cottage decor is why time solos, softness lives, and home becomes a feeling, not a place. A true vintage farmhouse cottage home makes people feel someone lives here with love. That feelings is the goal, not perfection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.